Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to create a group mail in Gmail. So let's go to the Gmail first. Then you have to click on this Google Apps icon, this one, and then you have to go to contacts. Now choose the contacts from here you want to add to your Google or send the email with, like I'm choosing these three, and then click on this manage label option and then click on create label, and now you can name your label here, group 1. Click on save. You can see that group 1 label has been saved here, and here's 3 contact. Now if you go to this compose email and click on 2, and then you'll find here group 1 option. If you choose group 1 and if you write email here, and if you now send that mail, that if you send that mail, the mail will be received this 3 person of that Gmail account. Okay, I mean, you can see here this 3 person here, or the 3 number or the 3 email. If you send one mail in the group, the 3 person will be receive the same email. Okay guys, so this is how you can send a group email in Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.